iPhone yarn. So, the package comes with, of course, the camera. And it comes with, nani, ang kabalo, tawagan nila. Nani, clicker. Wait, hindi. Okay. Sabi, pagbawasan na to. Then, I think, muna yung battery. How to off? My goodness. Ay, yan na din. Aside from that. Battery siguro na. Mapod. Saan yung battery? This one is longer. This one is... Huy! Nagpatakaran palit. Ibig lang yun. Another one. I think battery. Huh? Battery? Hindi, uy. Ay, sorry. Okay, so kung stand. If you want nice stand. Okay, this one. Okay, so... Ay, manang ganahan. Ay, basin mo niyang mic. Okay, wala. Wait lang. Okay, I know, parang siya sa mic. Wait lang, babe. Ay, saksak. Ay. Tignan, magnet bay namin. Kita. Ayan, ay. Iho. Oy, nai. Oy, oy. Saan ni? Sipon pa. Ay, wait lang, sipon. Uy. Okay, so I don't know what is this. Ano? Magnet. Feel na ako kay magnet na siya kung yan. Tapos, ako nakita mo na ipintas nila din. Basta, uy, i-search na lang ninyo. Sige, balik pa na yun. Ay, cover. Okay. Mabuang kabayot. Wait lang, babe. Wait lang, sabi ko naman. Sigaw. Mic lagi to. Mic lagi siya. Balik na ko ha. Wait lang.